Hi, I'm Chandni. I'm the makeup HOD here at UK International London Beauty School. I have had an amazing work journey here at UK IBS with my world-class experienced trainers, faculties, my teammates, colleagues, and of course not to forget my students. It's such a nice environment that you get here. The work environment, your studying environment, your theories, your hands-on practices, and with a lot of musties, you are really going to thrive in your career. So when I talk about career here, we really focus on our students to get the 360 knowledge that you really want. So if you are here looking for the best academy in makeup, hair, nail, beauty or cosmetology of course, then UK IBS is the place to be. At UK IBS, I personally and me along with my team are going to be here really focusing on your careers, on your journey to get to that goal that you have thought of. So please do come, visit us, enroll yourself, and I really would love to see you here. Thank you.